Struggling with the search not working issue on Windows 10 or 11? Get ready to fix it. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC keys together from your keyboard. Now, locate Search from the list. Tip: normally it is under Background Processes. Right-click on Search and choose End Task. Search Regedit in Windows 11. Go to the following path in the registry: HKey, Current, User and Software, Microsoft, Windows, our current version O, Search box. Now, click on Regedit from the search result. In the right side of the registry editor, right-click in any empty space and create a new DWORD 32-bit value named as Bing Search Enabled. Double-click on newly created Bing Search Enabled and set the value data of Bing Search Enabled to 0. Go to this link from official Microsoft website to download Reset Search Tool. Now right-click on the downloaded script and click Run with PowerShell Open PowerShell as administrator. Search PowerShell and then right-click and choose Run as administrator. Run the command given below to find out current policy status. Get execution policy. If it shows restricted, then copy and run the code given below Set execution policy, scope current user, execution policy, unrestricted. Now, again right-click on the downloaded script and choose Run with PowerShell. Search Services in Windows, 10 search box, and click on Services to open Services Manager. Locate Windows Search in the list of services. Right-click on Windows Search Service and choose Restart. Now, double-click on Windows Search Service. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Click on Apply and OK. In Windows 11 search box, type Indexing Options and press Enter. When you open the Indexing Options, click on Advanced button to open Advanced Options. Now, below Index Settings tab, you will see a Troubleshooting section. This section contains a Rebuild button. Click on Rebuild button. This will help in rebuilding the search engine index. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.